In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable double opt-in on Beehiiv so new subscribers get a confirmation email before they're added to your list. This is a great way to keep your audience cleaner, improve list quality, and make sure the people joining your newsletter actually want to be there. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Beehiiv tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps all of the important account and email options, so you'll need to go here to control how your subscriber settings work. After that, click Emails. On the Emails page, scroll down until you reach the Preset Emails section. This area contains the default email types Beehiiv uses for different subscriber actions, including confirmation and reminder emails. Now look for Double Opt-in Email. This is the setting you need if you want every new subscriber to confirm their email address before they are fully added to your list. Toggle Double Opt-in Email on. Once you do that, new subscribers will be placed in pending status until they confirm through the email Beehiiv sends them. That means they won't be counted as fully subscribed until they complete that step, which helps reduce fake signups and improves the quality of your list. Next, scroll down to Smart Nudge. This is an extra helpful setting if someone signs up but never confirms their subscription right away. Toggle Smart Nudge on to send a reminder email after 48 hours to subscribers who have not confirmed yet. This can help recover missed signups and give people a second chance to finish the opt-in process. And that's it. You've now enabled double opt-in on Beehiiv, and you've also turned on Smart Nudge to help boost confirmations automatically. This setup is simple, but it can make a big difference in keeping your email list engaged, accurate, and more deliverable over time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Beehiiv tutorials, newsletter growth tips, and simple guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.